A very good morning to one and all present here. As today we are not able to take our class because of some reasons, as meeting ID was not so proper. So we'll be getting the introduction, as today is our introduction class only. So we need not to worry. I'll be giving the introduction. Welcome you back after the holidays. I hope you all have done the work very properly and you all have learned all the chapters also. So with that, I would like to give my introduction. My name is Shivani Singh and I would be teaching you ICT. Earlier also I was teaching you ICT. So you know the way we used to work. We will be doing practical and theory all together. But there are some points which need to be followed. As after your UT1, you have to write term 1 begins. As you have done your work and UT1 is over, so there should be a page in which you have written term 1 begins, so that we should be knowing that from where we are beginning with our term 1. We would be leaving one page for the syllabus, and there we would be writing the syllabus for the term 1, and your work should be neat and tidy as it would be assessed. You already know that your notebook contains 5 marks and your work should be neat and tidy. If it is neat and tidy, then you will be getting 5 marks. It should be your work should be completed on time. And it is very important to give all the class test, as when you will be giving the class test, it would be recorded, your marks would be recorded, and you would be seen whether you have given all the test or not. It is a part of your notebook only. And at random, whenever I would feel like, I can ask for your notebook click so that I can check your work, so it should be updated. Activity, as I have given you one activity in the homework and I have asked you to send it on my e-feedback. So your activity consists of 5 marks and we'll be conducting two activities, one in duty and one in term. And the best activity would be counted. Means, for example, you are given the two activities. In one activities you have got 4 marks and in the other activity you have got 5 marks. So we'll be taking the best one, and that would be the one which you are having 5 marks. So the way to start your notebook, I have presented it. In this way you have to write term 1 begins, and the other is page is for your term 1 syllabus. Here you would be writing your term 1 syllabus, okay? And this would be how you will start your date, then chapter name, and then index would be made, and then we'll start with our chapter. So thank you class, and sorry for the inconvenience. Next time I think this inconvenience would not be there.